Okay.
Yeah, a little bit wet, but not too bad.
Yeah. Your fingertips. Yes. Come on. Oh no. What was that?
Slippery there.
Was it wet?
Yeah. You can wrap it below the wet spot. It's just a little bit wet.
Yeah, your fingertips, but it's very still okay to dry before you go for the crimp.
No, but this is definitely a bit ew. I'm gonna pull past just so I can dry and clean it, okay?
Yeah. You on?
Okay, climbing. Okay, take. This is very... Where the tick mark is, it's fine. But the first one to get there is quite bad. But the tick is not... It's not unclimbable. It's just not ideal.